Madness here. I just wanted to give you a fast, short little video of what I got today, which I'm pretty excited. Yay! I got some new fishing poles. I mean, they're not new, but they're new to me. I got them from my Aunt Linda. She passed away, and her mom is going through all of her stuff in our house, and so I'm pretty excited to someday, hopefully soon when the weather cooperates, fish with them. And anytime I fish with them, I'm gonna be thinking about my Aunt Linda. But they're pretty cool. They're nice looking. She kept them in a closet in a spare bedroom in our house. She kept things pretty neat and tidy, so I'm pretty excited. And then also in the house there was a bag full of just, you know, string and all kinds of stuff in here, so which is cool. And then got this little tackle box. And it has hooks, which I'm pretty excited to use. I'm pretty excited, very excited. Try those out this spring and summer. And then this stuff in here. It looks like this is a little bit older, but and it smells like it's that extinct fishing smell. I love it. Can't wait to use these. And then we got tackle box of hers, and I haven't even tried to open this. My son was trying to, but it didn't really go well because I guess I'm not good at, oh, I think I figured it out. Maybe. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so oh wow. Wow. It has like all kinds of stuff here. And then right here. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. Oh, and there. There's all kinds of goodies in here. Some more string. Measuring tape. Oh, I'm so excited. I just cannot wait to use this and go fishing. Oh, goodness gracious. Anyway, so that's what I got today. I'm pretty excited. Now, wait to go fishing. Nope, that wasn't a very good cast, but I'm also doing this one-handed, and I don't have a GoPro, so this is all I got. Let's try again.